Maya! The floor just ate my puddle! It's a water-eating monster?
The floor didn't eat it, Alex. Your puddle just pulled the ultimate magic trick. It's called the water cycle. To find your puddle, you need your next secret power. It's the cycle that moves every drop of water on Earth. When the sun gets hot, it gives water drops an escape plan. They turn into invisible gas and fly away. This is called evaporation. Which one do you think is evaporating right now? Point to the one making steam.
Oh, catch them! Come back here, you sneaky gas drops! You can't leave me!
You don't need a net. When they get cold high in the sky, they huddle together to stay warm. That makes a cloud. When they get too heavy, sweat, rain.
Give me some super facts, Maya.
Fact 1. The water you drank today is the exact same water the dinosaurs drank millions of years ago.
No way!
Fact 2. A single white fluffy cloud can weigh as much as 100 elephants. That's a heavy cloud. Fact 3. Most rain actually starts as snow or ice high up in the sky, even in the summer.
Up as gas and down as rain, the water cycle starts again.
Your mission is to find cloud sweat on a cold glass of water. And if you want to know why that rain makes such a loud boom, subscribe and watch our thunder video right now.
Stay dry, explorers. Bye.